Hello there! In this video, I'll show you how to find the jacking points for a Mark II Ford Focus. I'll also show you where the jack itself is stored within the vehicle because it's definitely hidden around here somewhere. Welcome to CarSpyTV. Right. The jack can be found in the boot, under the carpet, underneath the spare wheel, just down there. Let's now, as the example, find the jacking point for this left rear corner, which for some reason is covered in bird muck. Ugh. So we start with the wheel and then we look down here towards the sill where we see a pinch weld, and that starts here at the end of my screwdriver, and then we can see it curves down noticeably here before straightening up again there, and this curvy section here is where we put the head of the jack. Hang on, I'll show you. So there's the curvy piece of metal, and that just slides into the head of the jack there. And notice too that from our perspective, the higher point of the jack, this part here, is innermost on the vehicle, and the shallower point here is nearer us. So let's just raise it up slightly into position. Something like that. Let's now find the jacking point for the front left corner. So once again, we start with the wheel and then we look down here for a pinch weld. So there's the pinch weld, and according to the owner's manual, the jacking point on that pinch weld is just slightly behind this curvy cross member that runs from one side of the car to the other. And when we look back at the pinch weld, that equates to this area around here. So, those are the jacking points on the left side of the car, and of course, everything I've shown you is replicated over here on the right side, except all that bird mess. This side's clean. Anyway, before you go, don't forget to subscribe to CarSpyTV. That makes it easier to find my other content. Can you also please do me a favour and click like on this video, and I'll see you next time. Why is that clock wrong?